Whether you find yourself at the professional or novice level in woodworking, achieving perfection in your projects is essential. Kreg tools prove invaluable in ensuring you reach the optimal outcome. Now, let's explore 10 remarkable new Kreg tools and accessories that excel in the realm of woodworking.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTECHTS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Even a pro needs a guide to bring the best outcomes while cutting with a circular saw. This Kreg portable crosscut will allow you to make perfect 90-degree and 45-degree cuts across boards using the circular saw. Now you'll get perfect pinpoint results anywhere, anytime. Furthermore, it's built to last with the impact-resistant polymer construction. Another feature worth mentioning is that it has the retractable cut line indicator that lets you position it precisely, so you know exactly where you're going to cut. Last but not least, the GripMax Any-Slip material keeps it stable just where you want. These blue guys aren't toys for your kid. These are the Kreg project blocks. Wondering how they work? Well, these project blocks simply elevate your working materials above the work surface for different jobs. The set of 4 blocks can hold up to 200 pounds, which seems great to hear, right? But wait, they have more clever features for you. The first thing to discuss is the retractable painting points. Just twist the project block, and you're ready to apply paint. And don't worry about durability. These project blocks are tough enough to withstand your job site fall downs. Don't you think it's time to upgrade your workshop a little? Meet the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 520 Pro. It's adaptable to any workspace or any project. Thanks to its unique design, you can use this on any surface or clamp it right onto the project or material you are working on. The best thing about the jig is its Versa grip handle that easily rotates 360 degrees, so you'll always find a comfortable position for your task. The GripMax Any-Slip material holds every workpiece securely in place, so now you can be sure you're going to get the result that will meet your expectations. This Kreg Quick-Flip you see here lets you use the Kreg screws to create strong, simple joints and allows you to drill pilot holes and counterbore in a simple step. However, their straight and holding power make them suitable for your other tasks too. Now you can deal with face joining corners and many other operations as the Kreg Quick-Flip makes these screws even easier to use. It chucks into any drill and is even rated to use with impact drivers. Also, the double-ended insert and quick-release housing are other pros of this Quick-Flip. It simply lets you create strong and simple joints fast that will last. Need an assistant to hold workpieces in place? Don't hire anyone because this Kreg inline clamp is here to do that. It has a low-profile design that ensures a secure hold for workpieces of all shapes and sizes without a clamp getting in the way. The inline clamp stays in place with a peg that fits into any 3/4-inch diameter hole, and the easy-to-grip dial lets you press the clamp shoe against the workpiece and offers great clamping force for a firm hold. So get the helping hand you need with the versatility you asked for. Whoa, now there's some large things to move. Maybe you don't want to do that with your bare hands. Look at this panel carrier that handles all the tough carrying tasks you've never thought of doing alone. Thinking how this tiny-looking tool can do that? Well, it has sturdy construction and strong gripping ability to hold your materials tightly enough while preventing all the chances of slipping and falling. Just clamp it on to whatever you want, lift, and go. And those rubberized jaws, they'll make sure to carry your materials without needing any slight damage, even for the larger ones. Who doesn't want to get a whole carrying system in a single tool? We think you do. The next tool over here is the Kreg Wood Project Clamps. It's the perfect companion for various tasks like joinery, project assembly, general clamping, and so many more. Thanks to its extra-large smooth clamp faces that hold your workpieces securely for every job. You'll get 2 sizes of these wood project clamps for your individual job demands. The main pro of this tool is its AutoMax auto-adjust technology, so no need to readjust the clamps while moving from one material thickness to another. Sounds cool, doesn't it? Those who are looking for a great clamping solution for their projects can never go wrong with these Kreg wood clamps. Every workshop worker will love this thing. This Kreg Mobile Project Center allows you to transfer any place to your workbench. Well, You can also use this as a sawhorse, assembly table, and clamping station. Worried about setup issues? No problem at all. You can set up this project center in some easy and comfortable steps. Just open the legs, then pull the tables up, and it'll automatically lock into place. One more pro of the tool worth mentioning is the shelf underneath. It accommodates all your tools and project supplies. Finally, the versatility and portability of this mobile project center keep you productive during the busiest job site hours. Do you often fail to drill straight holes while in a hurry? Keep this Kreg drilling guide by your side to get all of them done in an accurate way. Now you can make perfectly positioned holes easily, no matter how fast you need them. The strips of Kreg's GripMax material and the ergonomic design will make sure the drill guide stays in place while drilling. Plus, it is made to be tough enough for professionals, and anyone can use it easily, whether a beginner or a pro. Drilling straight holes is no more a hassle now. We know how often you have gone the extra mile while screwing at confined spaces. This is where the Kreg 90-degree pocket hole driver comes in handy. This compact guy allows you to reach those tight spaces where you might not have reached before. It chucks into any drill, even on impact drivers. However, it's very easy to install. You have to attach it with your drill chuck, install the included 3-inch square drive bit, and you're good to go. It locks in place, so there'll be no chances of slipping out, and you can take on any job confidently. So that was the list of the 10 new amazing Kreg tools and accessories for woodworking.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.